Health officials in Mombasa took advantage of the curfew to conduct a disinfection exercise in the central business district. Now, since the outbreak of the deadly virus in the country, one patient has tested positive in Mombasa with several other people and suspected cases in quarantine. Kevin Mutai has more.
Firefighting personnel in Mombasa disinfected sidewalks, stalls and even shopping centers on Saturday night as residents remained indoors. The coronavirus has kept health authorities on their toes, especially after positive cases were reported in 3 coastal counties, Mombasa, Kwale and Kilifi.
We are going to ensure that we have fumigated our town so that we make our residents safe. And we have decided to do this exercise at this time because most of the residents are at home. We can be able now to do our work as is required.
The fumigation focused on main roads such as Jomo Kenyatta Avenue, Moi Avenue, Makupa Causeway, Digo Road, among others. The Mombasa County Health Department said that the exercise would also be conducted on the most visited buildings across the county.
We will extend this exercise even to Likoni and Kisauni to ensure that Changamwe, to ensure that our areas are properly fumigated, so that we try to mitigate this virus which has become epidemic, and to ensure that our people are safe.
The authorities maintain that responding to the COVID-19 pandemic requires new strategies galvanized by the will of the people. But the appeal for the people to stay at home and adhere to social distancing guidelines still remains a challenge, as law enforcement officers maintain that even more stringent measures will be instituted to keep the virus at bay. Tracing of people who came into contact with some of the positive cases in the region is still going on, as health officials also prepare to conduct massive tests on those who were placed in self-quarantine to ascertain their status. Kevin Mutai, NTV, Mombasa.